Hi, today in front of you BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So first we should get the Muviz Edge application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and enter the Muviz Edge. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, and here tap to draw over apps. Find Muviz Edge application, click to the swatcher and go back to the application. After that, tap to AUD, select one from these available tabs, click to apply, and now let's just press power button to lock the device. Twice the power button, press twice the power key, and now we can see that the Always On Display option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.